Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is May 29, 2019. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market today, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading down by about 20 points at the moment. Right now, they're sitting at 27.85 per contract. So we do have a negative tape to start the day. If traders recall, yesterday the markets had a pretty good rollover to start the week. Yesterday was the first trading day of the week due to the Memorial Day holiday, and so far we are seeing sell-side action continuing. So again, we'll see how this market plays out today. Again, we'll look at stocks in the news because that's where we're going to try to focus and make some money. First stock we're going to look at this morning is going to be CPRI, which is Capri. This is the old Michael Kors. Stock right now is trading at $36.25, closed at $38.89. So you got a good little haircut here. There really are no levels that I love for this stock right now. Now, there will be a little bit of a double bottom, I guess right around the 32 level. You could take a look at that. We'll have to look at that when that is tagged. I really can't give out a good level for this one this morning, but we will keep it on the radar today, and we will continue to look at it once the opening bell rings. Next up, we want to take a look at Dick's Sporting Goods, DKS. They came out with earnings. Stock had a good little reaction initially, went up to around $38.50. You can see it has now faded, and it is now trading at $36.50. The only level that gets me interested in this name this morning is going to be if the stock comes down to around $33.50. Gets down to around $33.50, I think it's back in play. At the moment, I would just remain neutral, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Next up, we want to take a look at ANF, which is Abercrombie & Fitch. There's going to be some support for this name right around the $19 area. Again, after that, though, this can go a lot lower. It could probably go all the way down to 17 or even sub 17. So be careful with Abercrombie & Fitch. Again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. But you could see retail today having a lot of companies report, and right now a little bit on the weaker side. Next up, we want to take a look at Canada Goose. Ticker symbol is GOOS. That stock right now trading at $21.50 a share. I think I have levels ready for this. I'm going to post them up in the intraday stock chat room right around 9 o'clock. So again, Canada Goose getting hit as well. This closed at $48.99, now trading at $41.40. Pretty good little haircut for the Goose. Next up, we want to take a look at Workday. Now, this is cloud computing or cloud software. Stock is trading at $209.51. This closed at $212.87. So you got a little haircut here. This is not a big deal. This stock has been probably one of the strongest performers. Look at the daily chart here. It's overbought anyway, so really priced for perfection. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Next up, I want to take a look at Bloomin' Brands, BLMN. This is catching a bid this morning. This is on news that Bloomin' Brands will join the S&P Small Cap 600. So again, nice little pop there. Stock is trading at $19.75. It closed at $18.45. If you own it, trail the stop loss. You're going to hit some really major resistance around $21.40. So keep that on the radar today. Gets to $21.40. It most likely is a fade candidate. So keep that on the radar. Let's take a look at United Airlines. I did see this was on the back of guidance, but I did not see the guidance. Stock right now is not doing much, trading at $79.81. Let's do one more here. YY. This stock is trading at $67.49, closed at $63.89. So nice little pop there for YY. There's no levels in play for this yet. We will keep it on the radar. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures trading up by $5.10. That tells me right away the market is starting to get a little fearful, but not so much. Next up, we have crude oil up lower by $1.83 to $57.31. Crude breaking down this morning. If you take a look at the USO, that is trading at $11.92. Down from $12.23 at the close. USO is a good ETF to track the movement in crude if you don't have a crude futures chart. But spot crude right now trading at $57.33, down $1.81. That's a 3% decline. Crude is getting hit this morning. All right, we're going to wrap it up here. We'll leave it short and sweet. I want to wish everybody a great trading day. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.